on the fabric. That's so exciting. I think I could get it. Let me just get this piece. Because believe it or not, that fabric is, oh, it's so cool. That is so cool. Look, it's attached to the cloth that would have been on the wall. See the cloth?
Yep.
That is so cool. But somebody's been in here because this is spray foam.
Yeah, that was on the other side of the wall when they did the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Because I was like, hey, that's not supposed to be there. Because this right here is the fabric that used to be on the walls. It's like a really thin version of like a burlap sack.
Cheesecloth.
Cheesecloth.
That's what they use for the mummies.
Really?
I don't know, I wasn't there.
You don't know. That is so cool. Thank you for saving that for me, Mr. Anderson. I know it sounds cheesy and we do one of those arts and crafts, but like I'm gonna frame some of it, the OG, and then I'm gonna try and find wallpaper that matches that and to do this room. Now I'm inspired.
Well, good luck, Joanna.
Whatever.